Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a thrift haul, and well, it's mostly candles and fabric. The stores are finally open here in Toronto, and I was so happy to get out and go shopping, and I scored quite a few goodies, so I thought I would share it with you guys. Anyone who knows me knows that I'm obsessed with candles, and this time I scored big time. I got all of these candles and they were all $1.99 each. Look at how pretty this one is. I don't understand why people buy such beautiful things and they don't use them. This one's pretty fun too. It's very glittery. I'm gonna save this for the holidays. This one's somewhat glittery. It's lost some of the glitter, but it's still functional. And I really like these square ones. Might save these for the holidays as well, but these ones I'll definitely be burning. This is a really nice one. And then we've got this guy. It's huge. And this one is so pretty as well. I also picked up a couple of vases. I really love the size and shape of these. This yellow one especially is really pretty. And these were $1.99 each. And then I got this book for my son. I was really happy to find this Dr. Seuss book because we don't have this one in our collection. We have the more common books. And the kids' books were 99 cents. Secondhand stores are such a good place for kids' books. This one is in really good condition, so I was really happy to find it. Guys, look at this amazing plant stand I found. I want to say it's a vintage piece, but I'm not sure. I have to do some research on it. But it is a very well-made piece. I love the spiral pole in the middle of it, and it is very heavy. I paid $6.99 for this, and I grabbed it as soon as I saw it because it's just so cool. I didn't really check out the clothing at the store because I'm planning on making my summer wardrobe this year, but I had to check out the blazers, and I found one by my favorite, well, one of my favorite vintage labels, Conrad C. And this one is such a classic. It's got a bit of a stain, but I'm sure that'll come out easily. I just couldn't pass it up, not for $10. It's so beautiful and perfectly oversized. I love vintage paintings, and this one was just too pretty to pass up, especially when it was priced at $10. It's such a steal. I'm actually redecorating my living room, so this one will fit nicely into the new decor. Okay, so I saved the best for last, the fabric haul. I'm so happy with the fabric I got from the bedding department. These are all fabric cuts, and these two yellow ones are sheets. And I am going to say that these two sheets are vintage based on the prints. The first one was $6.99, and it's so adorable. This is a fitted sheet, and I believe it's a double. This one is a queen size, so there's quite a bit of fabric, and I just love how the print looks 3D. It's so pretty, and this one is going to be a maxi dress, I'm sure. I haven't quite decided, but I have a lot of fabric to work with, so I'm happy about that. Next, I have this beautiful red fabric, and I believe it might have been a tablecloth in a past life because the ends are sewn. Some of it's fraying, but there's quite a bit of fabric, so if it was a tablecloth, it was for a very big table. There's about 3 yards of fabric here, and I paid $3.99 for it, so this was a steal. The fabric feels like polyester, but I can't be sure. Next, I have this awesome aqua fabric. I really love the color, and this one was $3.99, and there's about 3 yards of fabric as well. It's a gabardine, and I want to say it's a wool blend, but I can't be sure. Guess I'll find out once I wash it. Anyway, there's quite a bit of fabric to make a complete outfit, so I'm excited to work with this. Next, I have this awesome navy blue fabric, and this one was really cheap. This was $1.99. It's such a steal. I want to say it's polyester, but I'm not sure. It might be a poly blend. It's very sturdy, and it has a bit of a sheen to it. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it's really nice fabric. It's expensive looking. So I'm happy to work with this. I don't know what I'm gonna make with this as yet, but I'm sure ideas will come to mind in time. This black fabric is wool for sure. I can tell by the way it feels, and this was a steal as well at $1.99. There's about 1.5 yards, maybe even 2 yards of fabric here, but more than enough to make a pair of trousers for sure. And last but not least is this beautiful baby blue fabric. I love this. Again, I want to say it's a wool blend because of the way it feels, and it's so pretty. I just love the soft blue. And this was, how much was this? Let's see. I can't find it. Here it is. This was $5.99, and there's about at least 3 yards of fabric here, and this is really nice and lightweight, perfect for summers. I haven't decided what I want to make with this, but it's such a beautiful fabric that I don't want to mess it up, so I'm gonna have to think long and hard before I cut into it. All in all, I'm very happy with the fabrics I picked up. Thanks for checking out my video, guys. I hope you enjoyed my haul. I especially love the fabrics I was able to pick up today. And if you are a sewer, I highly recommend you check out the bedding section of your local thrift store. It's amazing the things that you can find there.